Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Bay City Malaya. So for today's video, ay ate, how are you? So ayun guys, for today's video is graduation or recognition ni Zion today. So ayan guys. Super excited kami. And bago yun guys is magpipicture muna kami. Magpapapicture muna kami ng family photos. Kasi hindi ko sure kung makakapagpapicture pa kami doon sa event. Kaya gagawin na namin dito sa labas. So, ayun guys, nandito na kami and si Zion is nakaupo na doon sa kanyang seat. Starting na rin ang event. Asa na yun? Hi, graduates! Hi, Day-Day!
During the pandemic, as she continued to work on the ground despite the lockdown in Britain, disseminating relevant information to the
elementary school and position he holds with pride and passion. He also holds a tutorial degree in education, major in administration and supervision from Pilipinas Province State University. Now a 50 years old Mr. Donato Parales Salicon Jr. We have also Julie Sian.